An object of mass 12 kg is at a certain height above the ground. If the potential energy of the object is 480 joule, find the height at which object is with respect to the ground, given g equal to 10 meter per second square. When we are getting a problem, the first duty is you need to write the given values in the question. The mass is given in the question 12 kg and potential energy is given 480 joule. G is given 10 meter per second square. We need to write that values first. The object is here. We need to find the height. M is 12 kg. Potential energy is 480 joule. G equal to 10 meter per second square. It is the first stage of problem solving. Is it clear? Next one. Now we need to find the height. What is the equation for potential energy? Potential energy is equal to mgh, right? The potential energy is the energy of an object because of its position, and the equation for potential energy is mgh. Here we know the value of potential energy and we know the value of g and we know the value of m, but we don't know the value of h. For finding that value, we need to make an equation for h. How we can make an equation for h? Here there is m into g. We are taking that m into g to the other side of the equal. Then it will be h equal to potential energy. Here it is multiplication, m into g into h, right? When we are taking these quantities to the other side of the equal, it will be division, divided by m into g. Now we can substitute all the values. That's the last stage. Potential energy 480 h equal to 480 upon 480 by, what is the mass? 12 kg. 12 into, what is value of g? 10. 12 into 10. H equal to 480 upon 12 into 10, 120. And 480 by 120, we can cancel this 0. 48 by 12 equal to 4 meter. Height of that object from the ground is 4 meter. Two girls, each of weight 4 Newton, climb up a rope through a height of 8 meter. We name one of the girls A and the other B. Girl A takes 20 seconds while B takes 50 seconds to accomplish this task. What is the power expended by each girl? Here, two girls are climbing a rope. The height is 8 meter and their weight is 400 Newton. Girl A is taking 20 seconds to complete the task and girl B is taking 50 seconds to complete the task. We need to find the power of each girl. If we are getting a problem, the first step is to write the given quantities in the question. Girl A, girl B. In this question, weight is given, right? Weight is 400 Newton. For girl B also, weight is 400 Newton. Height is 8 meter. Here also height is 8 meter. And time taken by girl A, 20 seconds. Time taken by girl B, 50 seconds. Now what is the equation for power? Power P equal to work done by time. Here also the same equation we need to write. Power equal to work done by time. Here that girl is, the two girls are climbing to a height. When an object is at a height, there will be potential energy. Potential energy is the energy of an object because of its position. When these two girls are climbing up, there will be potential energy. Instead of work done, we can find potential energy. Because energy and work done both are same, we can change the equation now. Power equal to potential energy by time. Here also we can use the same equation. Power equal to potential energy by time. What is the equation for potential energy? mgh. We can write power equal to mgh because potential energy is work done. Equation for potential energy is mgh by time. Here also we can write power equal to mgh by time. Weight and mg. What is the equation for weight? Weight equal to mg. Equation for weight is mg. In this question, they given the value of weight, then it will be mg. What is the height? 8 meter. What's the time? 20 seconds. All the values are there now. Now we can substitute that values in the question, in this equation. Power equal to Instead of mg, we can write 400 Newton because 400 Newton is weight is mg. 400 into, instead of h, we can write 8. 400 into 8 by time is 20 seconds. Here power is equal to 400 into 8. Instead of mg, we are writing 400 into 8 by 50. Now we can cancel this 20 and 400. If we are cancelling that, there will be 20. Then 20 into 8 equal to 160 watt. Here we can cancel this 50 and 400. If we are cancelling that, 8 into 8, 64 watt. So who is having more power? The girl A is having more power. Next question. A boy of mass 50 kg runs up a staircase of 45 steps in 9 seconds. If the height of each step is 15 cm, find his power. Take g equal to 10 meter per second square. You need to write the given quantities. Now we are going to write that given quantities. Mass is 50 kg. Mass of this boy is 50 kg. G, it is given as 10 meter per second square. The time taken by the boy is t equal to 9 seconds. What is the height of one step? When the boy is climbing up, to find the power, we need to find potential energy. Because of the height, there will be energy, that is potential energy. We need to find potential energy in this question. Height of one step is 15 cm. We cannot do any numerical in centimeter. We need to convert into standard unit. Standard unit is meter. How we can convert centimeter into meter? Yes, divided by 100. Height of one step equal to 15 by 100 equal to 0.15 meter, 0.15 meter. There are 45 steps. Height of one step is 0.15. Then what about 45 steps? Total height is equal to 45 into 0.15. 6.75 meter. Now we got mass, time, g and height. What is the equation for power? Power equal to work done by time. Here the boy is climbing up. Then work done will be equal to potential energy. So we can change the equation. Work done equal to potential energy. Power equal to mgh by t. Instead of work done, we are using potential energy. Instead of potential energy, we can use the equation mgh by t. Mass is 50, g is 10, height is 6.75, time is 9. 50 into 6.75 into 10, all divided by 9. If we are calculating this, we will get 375 watt. Power equal to 375 watt. The power of that boy is 375 watt. The boy is doing a work of 375 joule per second. Subscribe our channel for getting instant notification of sample paper solution and support us for providing free online classes to everyone. www.winpointonlineclasses.com